So today we're going to look at finding the maximum point or the minimum point of a quadratic. Algebraically, we can do that using something called the max-min formula. So the maximum or minimum formula. And what it says is that x is equal to, this might look familiar to you, negative b over 2a. So since we already know what these variables are, we're going to plug these in. So let's see, we have our a is negative 16, our b is 64, and our c is negative 56. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the max-min formula. We have, first rewrite it, x equals negative b over 2a, and we know that b is 64, so x equals negative, in parentheses we're going to put that 64, divided by 2, and in parentheses our a is negative 16. Now we just work this out. We have negative 64 will be simplified on top, divided by 2 times negative 16 gives us negative 32, and negative 64 divided by negative 32 gives you a positive 2. What this is saying is this is your x value at the maximum point, and we all know that an x coordinate has to be paired with a y coordinate. So what's the vertex is what we're looking for. So we're trying to find that other coordinate. And all we do is we take that, we plug our x into our function. So instead of h of x, we're going to say h of 2. And we're going to find the height of this function. So h of 2 is equal to negative 16 times 2 to the second power plus 64 times 2 minus 56. And then we just follow PEMDAS to find the solution. The function h of 2 is equal to negative 16 times 2 to the second power. Remember, we evaluate our exponents before we multiply. So we do negative 16, 2 to the second power is 4, plus 64 times 2. I'm going to rewrite that since we didn't multiply yet. Minus 56. Now we're going to multiply. H of 2 is equal to negative 16 times 4 gives us negative 64. Plus 64 times 2 is positive 128. Minus 56. And h of 2 is equal to negative 64 plus 128 minus 56 gives us 8. So the coordinate for our maximum or minimum points, in this case would be our maximum point, is 2, 8. So I can say the maximum value is 8, and depending on whatever you're looking at, it's the measurement. So I believe this one we're looking at feet. So our maximum value is 8 feet. And this right here would be your solution. And it's 8 because the y value is how high or how low it goes. There we go, guys.